Hello, this is Brian again. Well, just about back. Angeles Forest Highway, so my intuition was right. On my way back with no issues. So we're right here by Mill Creek Wash. A lot of young sycamores in here too. So this will be my last clip for today's hike, since I'm nearing the end of it. However, after I put my stuff in the car, I gotta go run back up past the water tower and retrieve my jacket. I gotta bring that back. It's tempting to leave it, but I don't want to leave my stuff behind. Plus it's a jacket, you know, I need a jacket. Yeah, a lot more cars at Monte Cristo right now. Kind of glad to be back down now, but it was definitely a much more relaxing descent than trying to go down the south side of that firebreak. That would have probably been a real humdinger. I mean, of course, it would have been a much shorter way back. I probably would have been back quite a while ago, but part of me wanted a little more adventure, a little more new to me scenery. So that's why I went and did it. Just came back down the dirt roads. I don't know, as I keep walking, I keep feeling like little drizzle drops, but I don't see anything. It's weird. I doubt these clouds will be producing drizzle. It's possible, but it's going to have to be a very nice day today. Definitely worth the effort of going up the way I did and coming down the way I did. Definitely made this a very worthwhile trip. No regrets, except for leaving my jacket behind up the hill, going up towards Monte Cristo Peak. So now that means I got to go scramble back uphill to get it. But I'm gonna try to make quick work of that if I can. It's gonna be kind of tough because my legs are kind of tired. I was thinking about throwing my backpack in the car right now, but I don't know if I want to walk back up there. Here's the campground. All the sycamore trees with the mistletoe on them. Now, lucky me, I get to go retrieve my jacket from up on the hillside. Lucky me. So I gotta go climb part way up the mountain again. So if I'd gone down, who knows, I might have gone down a different ridge on the way back. So I might have gone all the way down and had to scramble back up. Oh boy, it's getting muddy over here. Well, this is going to do it for my hike. Okay, so this is the Forest Service road. I don't know if it's the same all the way up to where I came from, but 323 is the one I came down. Might have junction with another one. There might have been another Forest Service road up there. I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Parting shot, Chaparral Whitethorn. Leucodermis. I'll see you on my next adventure. See what comes up next week or soon. See you on the next hike.